Alright, this is Disc Golf 101. You ready?
Yeah, so that's going in the lake.
Oh my god.
Well, good thing we have a washing machine. Beep. 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 Oh. Clear. Nose. Okay. Waiting for that gap. We can both go that. Go. I believe in you. Come on, man. Hurry up your face. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, welcome back. It's day 3 now of our 5-day trip, and yeah, Nick, say hi. I'm pretty sure we can hear you. Hi. 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 And yeah, I haven't done much recording yesterday. But yeah, we're bike friend. Oh, and police friend, but I was more worried about bike. And yeah, we're shooting out to Arrowtown today to check it out. Nick's never been before, so it'll be cool to scope out. It's a really beautiful place, especially in autumn, but it's spring for us now, so I'm sure it'll be just as beautiful, right? So, Arrowtown. Apparently only 8 kilometers away when we go this way, Nick. So not a long trip at all. Ow, the truck flicked shingle at me. Boots and cats and boots and cats. Yeah, if I had enough work, I'd happily live in Queenstown. Like, can you imagine just going out on your bike every weekend and just doing random trips around here? People, it's 100. Please. Oh yeah, check out Lake Hayes on the left there. I thought that was a guy with a helmet on over there. It's just a bald guy. I honestly think we should just stay out tonight on the bikes doing cool shit, like all day, if we can manage it. Look at that, the pontoon to swim out to down there. That's beautiful, mate. And there's some spots on Lake Wakatipu, like we have to ride up there today, because like, I think you'll regret it if we don't go look at more nature. Lake Wakatipu is the Queenstown Lake, but just going further around it past the town, you know how we went around that roundabout and came back yesterday? If you keep riding around there, that road is amazing, just around to the end of the lake, and that's where Glenorchy is, Glenorchy Station, and well, it's bloody beautiful, mate. If you wanted to do a camping trip in like literally a couple of weeks, we could. I don't know, we could go up north, or we could go down to Otago, or I don't know. Otago area, like the backcountry in Otago, is insane. Like it's a whole nother, it's like so Lord of the Ringsy, it's not funny. What do you call it? Oh, wedding. Wow. So yeah, welcome to Arrowtown. It's mega touristy. Well look, left is the Chinese settlement and right is the town centre. Do you see why we had to come here now? It's so sick. Like, check out all these little houses. People live in these little houses. Like, imagine if we got an Airbnb in one of these little cottages. Awesome. Up by the roundabout, that's a place you can pull over. Yeah, essentially. Oh shit! Hop off, hop off. And we help him, give him a lift. Hold up. You good? Lean it this way. Right. I got you. Cheers, guys. He had it in gear, so he was trying to push it forward and then it wouldn't move and it fell over. That's going on my YouTube channel. Right.